Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at how to change the default font size in Outlook 2024. So you can see right up in here what I have Aptos right now. This is for new mail. You can see size 11 as well. Of course, you can always change it here, but if you want to change the default, come over to File, Options. You'll see Mail comes up right away. Then select Stationery and Fonts. Once you do that, so you can see new mail, replying or forwarding messages is here. I'm going to select the font here. Now, you're going to see a sample as well. So let's scroll through. Let's find one. Let's do the Forte. So you can see it changes it right in there. And then maybe you wanted it a little bit larger. Maybe you wanted it 14. And then maybe like, you know what? I don't really want that. I'm going to go to, let's just do, say you're a big Times New Roman fan. Go ahead and select that. Hit size 14. Go ahead and select OK. OK again. OK one more time. What we'll do now is we're going to go ahead and we will go into a new email. And when we select right in here, you can see Times New Roman comes up, size 14. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.